Hello children, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is noun, number and gender. As you all know, all the naming words are known as noun. So here we are going to learn about two kinds of noun. First is common noun and second is proper noun. Let's understand the common noun first. Now common nouns are the names that do not denote any particular person, place, animal or thing. These are the names that we use for all the nouns of same kind. For example, doctor. Doctor is not a name of a particular person, but this is a category. Now, let's understand what are proper nouns. Proper nouns are just opposite to common nouns. Okay? Proper nouns are the names of a particular person, place, animal or thing. For example, Russia. Russia is the name of a particular country. Proper nouns can be the names of countries, cities, buildings and landmarks, etc. Similarly, proper nouns can be the names of week, days and month, and proper nouns can be the names of mountains, rivers, lakes, etc. So students, proper nouns are the special names given to particular things. But one thing we have to keep in mind while we write proper noun, that is we always have to write the proper nouns starting with a capital letter. Now we are going to learn about numbers. So students, you all know that numbers help us count anything. So here also the number noun help us to count all the nouns and pronouns. A noun or a pronoun that stands for one person, animal, place or thing is known as a singular noun. Singular nouns are used to denote a single person or animal or place or a thing. Anything that is only one is known as singular noun. For example, here you can see a single man. Okay, here you can see a single pan, single bear, single ship and a single star. So all these are examples of a singular noun. Now here we can see these are two men and these are three pens, two bears, two ships and four stars. What does it mean? These figures are more than one. So if we talk about something that is more than one in number, we call them as plural nouns. So any noun or pronoun that stands for more than one person, animal, place or thing is known as plural nouns. Now students, we have to keep a few things in mind while changing from singular to plural nouns. We put s or es to the end of these nouns. For example, teacher. If there is one teacher, we spell it as T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. But if there is more than one teacher, so we call it teachers. We put s at the end. Okay, just like this, we put es at the end of a few nouns. For example, box. If there is one box, we call it box. But if it is more than one, we call it boxes. Now let's learn about gender. So students, many nouns and pronouns have genders to specify whether they are male or female. For example, that boy is very smart. So here boy is a male. He is my brother. There is my father. I love him. My uncle is standing with us. So here uncle boy, brother, father. All these names are names of males. Therefore, all the names used for men, boys and male animals are known as masculine nouns. Now, let's see these examples here. The girl is very jolly. She is my sister. There is my mother. I love her. And my aunt is standing with us. All these names are used for female category. So, feminine nouns are words used for women, girls and all the female animals. So, here we have a third gender, that is neuter gender. Let's see the examples first. It is a pot. Its color is gold. This is a mirror. It reflects light. So, the mirror and the pot are things. These are non-living things. So, the names, the gender that specify non-living things. Non-living things means the things without life. So, we use neuter gender for non-living things. Now, let's see what are the different pronouns that we use for different genders. Here, I, me, you, we and us. These pronouns can be used either for male genders or for female genders. The pronouns they and them, they can be used for either for masculine or for feminine genders. For example, these boys are fighting. Ask them if they want punishment. So, here them and they is used for these boys. Now, in second example, those girls are playing. Ask them if they have finished their homework. So, here they and them is used for these girls. Thus, it is clear that these pronouns can be used either for masculine or for feminine genders. Now, in the third example, there are two buildings. They have many flats in them. So, here buildings are neuter gender because these are non-living things. So, they can be used for neuter gender as well. Now, students, we have a common gender also. Common gender is used for all the nouns that can be either masculine or feminine. For example, student, child, doctor, worker and a person. So that's it for today. We will be back with other sessions. Till then, take care.